So, welcome to the training. What makes a high converting website? This training is put on by Blue Nova Marketing. You can reach us at info@bluenovainc.com. Telephone number 844-625-6500. So, my name is Todd Bailey, and let me tell you about who I am and why do you actually care about this. I've been doing marketing for over 10 years for local businesses. I'm a managing partner for 4 different marketing companies. 2 of them focuses on marketing for local businesses. 1 focuses on marketing for online businesses, and 1 actually focuses just marketing online products. Currently have offices in the Detroit area and Las Vegas. Employ a little bit over 20 plus contractors employee, and I like to spend my time between Michigan and Nevada. When I'm not in the office, I'm out traveling with my family and enjoying life. I hate discussing politics, religion, and again, especially politics, so there will be no discussion of that. Will never be a mention of any of that. So let's talk about what the most important thing every business needs to market their business online. It's a website, very simple. Gives you credibility, shows that your business is true and real and exists out there. But again, let's talk about the 5 questions that every visitor asks before they contact you. Is this actually going to solve my problem? Do I have to decide now? Am I getting the best? Am I going to regret this later? Am I paying a good price? Am I getting my value for the money I'm paying? And we can talk about all the different trends that are going on online right now, but the biggest thing right now is over 50% of all traffic comes from mobile devices. And out of all those mobile devices searching and finding and going on your website, 88% of those customers that reach your website on a mobile device will contact a business or go to that business within 24 hours. And it's easily said that over 80% of customers will stop looking at the website if it doesn't flow right or doesn't display properly on their device. And over half will actually leave a website if it doesn't load within 3 seconds. And we can all talk about social media. Over 60% of all users on mobile are used to scrolling with their thumbs like they do on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok. It's just a thing like that, even on their e-commerce stores like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. So why is the number one thing business needs does not work? Their website. Because according to Webster's Dictionary, a website is a group of pages online, usually containing hyperlinks and devoted to a single topic or several closely related topics. So we like to compare websites to electronic brochures online. They're designed to be read, but they really just don't convert visitors into customers, patients, or clients. They don't have that call to action. So there's 4 actions that when somebody visits a website, you as the owner of the website want them to take. You want them to click on something. You want them to subscribe to your newsletter or opt into something. You want to pick up the phone and click the call button and call you. Or you want them to buy something. So the number 1 tool every marketer has to get conversions, and the number 2 tool that every marketer has that uses to get conversions is a website. And how do you tell a story from beginning to the middle to the end in a 10-page website? You're scrolling through and clicking things. And how do you actually split test to see what's working and what's not working? That's the best part of digital marketing, is you can see what works, you can variate it, you can change your offers, and you can get the actual real data. So the 2 most important things that you need to be successful with your online marketing, split testing and a website that converts, you can't really do with a 10-page website. You can't split test it. So we're introducing what's called a funnel website. And basically what it's set up to do is it's designed to move a visitor through the sale process, telling your story from beginning to end that helps that visitor decide to use you. So when they come in, they're looking for products and visitors. We talk about your story, talk about your mission statement, your history, your background, your testimonials. We talk about how you're different products you have. Talk again about testimonials and the value that you bring to the table. So instead of building a multiple page website that's 10, 20, 30, several hundred pages big, why not design a single website that moves visitors through the sales process, having them contact you, doing what a website is supposed to do, convert. So we can kind of compare the two real quick. A funnel page website is one page. A typical traditional website, multiple pages. On the one page website, on our page website, the story is very clear. On a multiple page website, they're clicking, they're waiting for things to load. You could have crashes or coding changes. With a one-page website, you're just scrolling through with your thumbs. It's very friendly. One-page funnel website designed to convert customers to take action, contact you, click. Multiple traditional website, it's all over the place. Split testing, we can actually send half the traffic to one compared to half the traffic to the other page. See what offers converting, what different colors are converting better. And you'd be surprised that just changing the color will help the website convert even more. You can't do that with a traditional one. One-page funnel website, you have several call to action buttons. Contact us, call us. Traditional website, there's usually one or two on the home page, and then there's usually 2 to 4 throughout the other pages on the website. One-page website is very mobile friendly. It helps convert with that traffic that's over 60%. We're probably talking closer than 80% by now. Traditional websites, sometimes there has to be two different formats to it. Some pages look better on mobile than others. Some pictures don't. One page is a lot easier to track conversions. You know exactly where the conversions are coming from. Traditional one requires a lot of analytics, different setups, different coding. So the secret is a 21 story block formula. And I'm not going to go through all these at once, but I'm kind of just pop them up there. The navigation block, which is your header menu. Your promise block, call to action. We talk about services, show some testimonials or reviews. We have a different offer. It might be a special offer that's going on right now. We talk about the different feature services. We like to put 1 to 3 of those in there. Talk about a different case study, a project, or portfolio. Show some pictures. Myth block is just something that talks about there's some other myths, the different industries and different niches that you want to talk about. Who we are is basically the about us, our expertise, our team block, which is basically just your staff, another testimonial review, another contact button, FAQ buttons, or not buttons, but actually facts. So you can talk about different facts depending on an industry. When it comes to like landscaping, you got different times of a year that you do different things. You got medical, you got dental, talk about cleanings, you got veneers, you got cosmetics, we have plumbing, heating and cooling. Different things can be done in there. Again, we want to just show a map and the address where you're located. And in the footer, which contains several things such as site map, terms and conditions, privacy, everything that Google wants to make sure that you show up properly in their searches. So now that you know what a high converting website is and how it should be designed, let's talk about a special offer that we have for you and show you how you can get started right away without doing any of the hard lifting. So website leasing, it's a hassle-free way to create the website. A website is the easiest way to advertise and promote your business online. Website leasing is a hands-free website. You simply answer a few questions about your company. We provide all the content and the images. And with website leasing, there's no more paying high cost for web designers and designs and different things like that. There's no more paying bills to different companies like hosting, antivirus, SSL. There's no more finding somebody to do the maintenance and fixing the crashes and updating the code in the software. Also, with leasing a website, you can get your website started and almost complete it today. Not in 6 months, not in 8 months, not in 9 months, today. So the biggest question everybody asks is, why are you doing this so cheap? And why do other companies charge thousands of dollars for this? Well, the answer is actually very simple. During the pandemic, businesses all over the place were affected. And they're in the same boat as we were. But we also noticed during this time that small, medium-sized businesses didn't have a lot of cash flow and they couldn't afford a large out-of-pocket expenditure at that time. So we wanted to actually look at how to do this. So we came up with a way to design the websites, get them up and running, making the cost of small and medium-sized businesses basically the same cost that they would be paying during their normal monthly fee of hosting, maintenance, and backing up. On top of that, we offer to do actually minor changes to the website as needed. And when we say minor, it's just a few little changes. We're not redesigning it, come up with the whole thing, but if we need to change a couple different offers, change a video code, change a phone number or an address, that's no problem. We're not going to nickel and dime everybody like most webmasters out there will do. They'll charge you a couple $100 just to do a simple change because it is their time. Website leasing is super easy to do. You don't have to know how to design a website. You don't have to learn different software. You don't have to do anything actually technical at all. You actually don't even have to know what hosting or a domain name is. That's our knowledge. We know what that is. We're going to make this as easy as possible for you. And why is website leasing the best solution? It's really basically the most possibly completely hassle-free creation of a website. You have to do nothing. Plus, our websites are designed to be sales funnels. They funnel visitors through the sales process, converting them into customers, clients, or patients. So let's talk about what our competitors don't provide that we actually do provide. First thing is, we have proven site designs. Our websites, we've been using, we have over 40 different niches that we target and market with. We know how the website works, we know how it flows, how visitors go through the website. We channel them into a sales funnel. We provide all the copywriting, so you don't have to put any content out there. We provide all the images. We provide all the SSL certificates, so you don't have to worry about your visitors' information being stolen or hacked. You can have your professionally designed website found online in less than a week in 3 easy steps. First being, tell us about your industry. Second, tell us about you and your business. Third, tell us how you're different than your competitors. So how does website leasing work? And everybody's wondering what they don't get to keep, what's theirs. You still own the domain name, and that's your abcbusiness.com. You own that. We don't own it. If you decide to go somewhere else or have another website built, you still own the domain name. You don't have to change anything. You own the phone number. You own the email addresses and any email that comes through there because it's all your email. You own any proprietary information that you get, such as subscribers on your list. So let's talk about what else you're going to get with website leasing. You're going to get the same website that local businesses across the country have paid just under $3,000 for all the time. We're going to build a 21-point architecture website that basically turns visitors into customers, clients, or patients. We're going to provide the storyboarding, the copywriting, all the content. We're going to make it mobile responsive. We're going to provide antivirus protection. We're going to provide the SSL certificates. So again, visitors know their information is secured. Plus, Google recognizes that part and gives you a higher ranking because you have an SSL certificate. We're going to do website backups to avoid any downtime. any website minor changes that we'll do for free, no additional cost. And again, we talk about minor changes. We're not talking about recreating anything. Minor changes. Split testing. If we want to add a different offer on one compared to another one, we basically take the same website, change the offer. We can change the color. We can actually send 50% of the traffic to one or the other. You can see which one's actually working better. We'll provide the contact forms, give you lead notification, and again, then we'll actually provide monthly reporting so you can see how much traffic your website's getting, what's converting and what's not. So again, website leasing is an unbelievable opportunity. You are getting an incredible value, easily over $3,000 worth of copyright and design. SSL certificates is going to cost $45 to $175 per year. Professional images, well into the hundreds of dollars. Antivirus, $500 per year. So don't delay. This special pricing for website leasing is only available for a limited time and for a limited number of businesses. We're only going to take the first 20 businesses that schedule a time to meet with us, take the 15 minutes out of their day to see what we're doing, how we're going to do it, and take action. So also as a bonus, we are offering access to DIY Marketing University, which is a local business marketing training center. It has over 100 courses and has access to software and services that professional marketing companies use. You can actually use this to get a big jump on your competition. We even put in access to over $1,500 in vouchers on paid marketing platforms like Google Ads, Yelp, LinkedIn. This membership typically costs $77 per month, but you're going to get it free as being part of the program for website leasing. So that being said, let me take you into DIY Marketing University and show you around and let you see what it has to offer. Again, it's going to be completely free as part of your website leasing program. DIY Marketing University, Do-It-Yourself Marketing University, built by marketing companies to teach local businesses and online marketers how to do their own internet marketing. So one of the biggest things businesses talk about is trying to figure out what their marketing companies are actually doing and how they're actually performing. So what this university does is allows you to actually understand that, but not only that, but to stop paying thousands of dollars for services and getting the so-so results and not understand exactly what they're doing. We're going to break down each segment of online marketing for local businesses and online businesses in very short, quick, easy to understand video courses. We're going to talk about streamlining your business, what tools to use, website design and building and optimization. Talk about social media marketing, which is the big thing right now. Like LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, etc. Dive into paid marketing like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn. Discuss SEO, which is probably one of the most confusing online marketing tactics. Look at video marketing and how it's impacting local businesses right now and how to take advantage of that. Look at a very important step like reputation management and marketing so you know how to get your reviews out there and seen by people. Talk about that new thing called chatbots, which is a very easy way to perform customer service as well as market your business online, completely automated. And finally, put together a start to finish 12-week course showing online and local marketing what to do from step one all the way to the end. All this for the cost of less than the cost of 1 week worth of marketing from a company. So we're going to talk about how to gain traffic from social media, how to increase your sales by 2, 3, even 4 times as much. Show you how a website should be set up, how it converts visitors into clients, customers, or patients, and also increase repeating customers because that's a big deal. We're going to show you how to find the tools necessary to do all this, what actually marketing companies use for those tools, and then we're going to help you attract and increase your number of customers and visitors to increase your revenue of your company. Here's just a quick screenshot of some of the courses available right now as we're doing the video. We have over 100 courses in the university right now, but these are all broken down into simple step-by-step videos. Some videos ranging from basically 90 seconds to roughly about 4 minutes. There's 1 or 2 videos, 3 videos maybe that go up to about 9 minutes. But broken down simply, what they're used for. Some things you will not need to use, some things you will. Some parts you will not need to actually go so deep into it as other companies will necessarily do. The best part is you can use this yourself, have your family member, have your management team, or even your marketing team go through and actually learn how to do all this. Plus, as new things come available, and we know that different interfaces upgrade and change, we're going to redo the trainings to actually work with those. So, that being said, let's just dive deep right into the university, and I can kind of show you ins and outs of it right now. So after you're logged into the dashboard, we can actually kind of scroll through this. It'll talk about your username, courses. We can look here, and kind of courses are broken down by just different subjects. So let's jump into a couple of them so you can just see. Let's go into business training. So here are some of your business training courses. You can talk about the webinar. Another big powerful thing that we have is a private Facebook group. So this is just a Facebook group that members of this university can go to, exchange ideas, ask questions. We'll be in there also giving our input, sometimes putting different trainings on there as well. But this is a way for like-minded people, business owners and online marketers to actually share ideas and get answers quickly. Talk about webinars and trainings, running your business from the cloud. That's a great subject, how to streamline it. You can kind of see a couple other ones. We talk about PayPal integration, different CRM tools, Stripe, Biz Security. We look at Windows, even look at QuickBooks. Let's see a couple other courses. Let's go here. Let's go into web design. So web design, how to do WordPress, Shopify. We even have website templates, Zendesk, which is just a support, online support system that you can utilize to get trouble tickets done. Again, PayPal, Stripe, and Biz Security. So, and kind of let's go look and see what one of these courses looks like. So we're going to jump into WordPress here. WordPress 101. So this will be an introduction. You can watch the video. It kind of just talks about what's going to be covered in the course. Scroll down here. And in this course, which is WordPress 101, there's 20 lessons. It talks about overview of what's going to be done in these 20 lessons. And let's just jump into one of these, installing WordPress, and see what's going on here. So in installing WordPress, you see this is a 2-minute video. Simple play. And as you see here, you can actually make the video larger. Come back. Let's go back over to the dashboard. Another one I like to look at is like done for you services. So sometimes you're going to get into these courses, you're going to start playing with them, doing different things. They take more time or something that you just don't want to do. So you can come into our done for you services. And you can jump in here and you can look at, okay, I want somebody to build a chatbot for me. We have chatbot templates, or I want somebody to do, or you want us to do SEO for you. We can do that. We set up different things. Reputation. We're going to talk about social media services. And since you're part of the university, you get these at basically what wholesale prices are. So when other marketing companies come to us and say, we're going to provide this service, but we want to do it, we provide them at a very discounted rate. They go back to their clients and they sell them as an upsell. You're going to get them basically at that super discount wholesale rate. So you can come in here and check that out and everything else. But it's very simple, easy to follow. I think you'd be very impressed with the way it maneuvers and how you can go through everything very quickly. You can even come up here and look for different things. So like if you want to look for Facebook. And there you go, Facebook Live, Facebook Private Group, Facebook Analytics, which Facebook Analytics is actually going to be going away. Facebook Ads, MailChimp and Pinterest. We kind of put that in there because they tie together a lot, different things. So you can look at different things. Also, you can notice on the side here, you can go to different categories as well. You don't have to go back to the dashboard. Other things we're going to be doing is putting stock articles in there, and where to find these stock articles that you can post on their social media. A lot of people don't like writing different content, so we're providing stock articles. We're also going to be providing stock images where you can find free images to use, so you don't have to worry about someone coming back and saying you use your images without paying them. So again, very simple, easy way to do things. I want you to jump in here and just have some fun. Learn some different things. Again, we're going to be providing courses, and we're providing that training. Let's go back and look at the training. So we got the start to finish 12-week training. And this will be put together and show you how to do it. And it's just really simple steps. Step 1, how to create a Gmail account to utilize for all your marketing, so you don't come bombarded with your email or your email box full of just different things. So again, we're going to jump in there. I'm not going to actually show that part because it's part of the courses that we use, part of what paid members are seeing right now. So look forward to actually diving in that deeply with you. And again, we're at the Facebook group is where we can answer questions simply. You can also go in here and contact us and provide a support ticket. No problem. We usually answer our support tickets. We say 72 hours because if you put it in on a Friday afternoon, we're probably not going to get to it till Monday. But most of the time, it's usually answered within about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the time of day, of course. So look forward to diving into you guys, and look forward to helping you create some highly successful internet marketing. So as we bring this meeting to a close, here are a few of our websites. You can see the quality of the images, the content, the copyright, and the way it flows. So as you can see, website leasing is a hassle-free way of creating a website. You're going to have a website designed for you free. You're not going to have to worry about paying for any content or copywriting. You're going to get images for free. You're not going to pay thousands of dollars up front for a web designer. You're not going to spend hours of frustrating computer time searching, trying to figure out how to do it yourself, trying to save money but costing yourself a lot more time. You're not going to have to worry about doing any maintenance, fixing any crashes, updating any software. It truly is a hands-free way of getting a website. What's going to be included? It's very simple. Your SSL will be included. Hosting will be included. Backup will be included. Reporting on a monthly scale will be included. You're going to have a 21-point website architecture built and designed to turn visitors into new clients, patients, or customers. Be able to show your reviews. It's going to be mobile responsive, several call to actions, antivirus protection, contact forms created, and your lead notifications, antivirus protection, and all that monthly reporting sent to you automatically every month. Again, website leasing is an unbelievable bargain. Easily $3,000 worth of professional design and copyright. The SSL certificate will cost anywhere from $45 to $175 per year. Professional images will cost in the hundreds. Antivirus, $500 plus per year. You can see how this is worth well over $4,000. Plus, you're going to get a bonus in that membership of DIY Marketing University, which has over 100 courses. Shows you how to do marketing on different platforms as SEO, social media. And it's even going to get access to over $1,500 worth of vouchers on paid marketing platforms like Google Ads, Yelp, LinkedIn. So for a limited time, we're going to be offering our website leasing program at a very low price. It's going to be for those businesses to take action fast. Again, we're going to offer it to a very limited number of businesses just because we won't want to be bogged down. So the monthly cost will be starting at $97 per month and up, depending on other features such as video and whatnot. So act fast. Click the schedule button now and schedule a meeting with us. You're looking at about 15 minutes to get all the information, completely bring you up to date on what the program entails and what it includes, and we move from there. We're also going to be offering the first 14 days for free. So there's no money up front. So, that being the case, we look forward to working with you and to your success. You have a great day.